Imagine if you could predict what move Bitcoin, Forex, gold and silver will make in the next hour or next 4 hours, 8 hours, or even tomorrow. How would that change your financial prospects with the new blockchain revolution? Introducing Cryptomanic360, the secret weapon for dominating Bitcoin, Forex, and precious metals trading on a global level. This amazing Bitcoin and Forex software is my secret weapon for turning $300 into $78,000 in less than 60 days, and it could be yours too if you want to discover how you can accurately predict and profit from explosive Bitcoin, Forex, and precious metal moves before 99.7% of other people who are trying to catch the same move of Bitcoin. Now, my close friends call me Mr. X, the overnight Bitcoin millionaire, because I leverage a secret technology to predict how Bitcoin will do in the next 1 hour or next 30 minutes and profit with it. Now, this is in addition to using the same secret software to predict the movement of Forex, gold, and silver too. So I can make money with Bitcoin, Forex, and gold, whether the price goes up or the price goes down. But before we go too deep into this, let me ask you a quick question. How would you feel if a corporate insider were to sit by your side telling you when to buy Bitcoin or Forex and when to sell it before the whole world knows about it? How would that change the game for you in your bank account? Now you can stop imagining, because that is exactly what you're about to get your hands on right now, right here on this page at this time. But this secret weapon will only be available for a very limited number of people today, because when many people begin to use this strategy, my caucus members would detect that I was the one that leaked the secret. Bitcoin, Forex, gold, and silver are exploding in value daily, but there's still a chance for you to profit from it even if you don't have a lot of money or previous experience in the Bitcoin and Forex trading game. If you are interested in becoming your own boss or looking for a great new way to invest your money, or maybe you just want to multiply your income stream by trading Bitcoins, Forex, and precious metals, you've probably heard tons of news stories about Bitcoins, Forex market, gold, and silver, and how people are getting rich in it and with it, right? You have also probably been wondering how you too can get in on the action without losing your shirt or your mind in the process. And the good news is that you can also make a lot of money aside from your normal day job, or even start a new career trading digital currencies, even if you don't have any prior experience or you've never even touched a mouse or computer before. Using the right tools, you too can make a nice profit in Bitcoins, the Forex market, gold and silver with a relatively small investment in a very short amount of time, because of the strong volatility in these currencies, which allows you to profit from the wave of movements that occur practically every day. Now, with the big news you must have heard about how Bitcoin gained over 18,000% in value in less than 1 year, you may be thinking, wow, I wish I'd known about Bitcoin and bought some and I already missed the boat. Maybe something else will come up in the future. But I've got good news. You didn't miss the boat. You can still make a lot of money from Bitcoin, Forex, gold, and silver. The only thing is, the way to make that money now has changed, and we've got you covered on the new approach. Sure, it's true you can no longer buy a bundle of Bitcoin for cheap, but it's also impossible for the price of Bitcoins, Forex, or gold to continue straight up. At some point, one or more of three things is bound to happen. Many investors will want to take some profit off the table. This means there will be drops from big sell-offs of investors collecting their profit. This is normal, it's part of investing, and unfortunately it can scare off less experienced traders. It's no secret that Bitcoin has had its issues, negative news and growing pains, and that would continue to cause volatility in the market that you can exploit with a good system. Other competitors like Ripple and Verge could come on the scene to cause Bitcoin holders to get jittery about the long-term value of their Bitcoin holdings. Any negative news related or something going wrong can cause Bitcoin to drop like a rock at any moment. For example, some time ago, a Bitcoin exchanger went down, causing Bitcoin to crash. Now, the good news is that you can make an obscene amount of money profiting from the volatility caused by these occurrences by using an automated software to buy and short Bitcoin, Forex, or even gold, depending on the movement just before those events happen. Introducing Cryptomatic360, the first revolutionary future predicting software that tells you when to buy or sell Bitcoin, Forex, gold or silver and profit with it fast, even before the crowd gets to know about the movement. The best part is this software can work with Bitcoin pair, Forex pairs, precious metal, and can work with any time frame. I laugh when I see the way most people invest in Bitcoin or trade Bitcoins, Forex and gold without a foolproof software to rig the game in their favor. It's always obvious. Some of these people have no clue about trading at all, and that's why over 99.7% of them lose money. You don't want to be part of those negative statistics. Now, according to Albert Einstein, the one who follows the crowd will usually go no further than the crowd. So if you do it the way the crowd is doing it, you will end up the way most of the crowd always ends up, losing money. But instead of doing it like everyone else and putting my money in unnecessary risk, I found my own way that's safer with the amazing Cryptomatic360 software. So some of the benefits of Cryptomatic360 that separate it from any other software out there are its simplicity. You will be amazed at how an app could be so simple to use and yet so powerful. Now it uses only color and volatility to trade, thereby making trading fun and easy. A suite of indicators that confirm each other and it keeps you out of a flat market. No fear trading. It works on Bitcoins and multiple currency and digital currency pairs. The template is color-coded with all the indicators you need. Trades are entered based on two volatility indicators that coincide perfectly with color indicators. Entries and exits have easy color arrow signals. You can use a conservative or an aggressive entry style. Both are taught in the user's guide. Now, you can have my proprietary software on your own trading platform that could alert you when smart money from the big institutional traders like banks, hedge funds enter the market, and all you'd have to do is follow the buy or sell signals it gives you about Bitcoin, Forex, gold or silver. Just imagine the amount of money you could be pulling in every day when you have an edge like Cryptomatic360. Imagine knowing beforehand where the market is going to go. It's like being tipped off by a casino dealer at a blackjack table to load up on your bets when the count is in your favor. It's made me a lot of money before I decided to expose this to a few selected lucky ones today, and it continues to make me a ton of money every day. And now it's your turn. To use Cryptomatic360, all you have to do is set your trade, sit back and watch the market race to your profit target. When you begin experiencing this every day, you'll be telling yourself, this is too goddamn easy. You'll become profitable every day while experiencing only a fraction of the hassle other traders put themselves through. And I'm talking about spending only a few minutes daily to cash in on huge moves and make huge profits. With 3 easy steps, you can start profiting with Cryptomatic360 within the next 30 minutes or less. Everything you need to get started with the Cryptomatic360 software, including comprehensive tutorial videos on how to use it, is included. So you can easily get started making money with Bitcoin as soon as possible, regardless of your prior experience or technological skill level. Click on the button to get your own copy right now before the price triples. Once you click the button below to order your license, you'll gain instant access to everything you need to get started, and you'll be protected by our 30-day satisfaction